you want to invest according to your values?
What have I done?
Or maybe you're just interested in an all-equity portfolio.
Yes, I am.
In today's video, I review Wealthsimple's Halal Investing portfolio. If you're interested in a portfolio that performs and complies with Islamic law, then make sure you watch this video till the end. What is halal investing? Well, the word halal is Arabic for permissible or lawful. So if something is halal, it adheres to Islamic law. So halal investing is investing that complies with Islamic law. The opposite of halal is haram, meaning forbidden. So what investing options are forbidden by Islamic law? 1. No fixed incomes. This means no bonds, GICs, or CDs. 2. No companies that derive significant income from interest or companies with a significant amount of debt. There's 3 financial ratios that must not exceed 33.33%. Total debt over total assets, sum of a company's cash and interest-bearing securities over total assets, and sum of a company's accounts receivables and cash over total assets. And 3. When a company earns more than 5% of the total revenue from the following prohibited activities: alcohol, tobacco, pork, conventional financial services, defense, weapons, gambling, music, hotels, cinema, and adult entertainment. This is the methodology Wealthsimple uses for their halal portfolios. It's approved by MSCI's Sharia Advisors Committee of Sharia Scholars. Before we go any further, you might want to know what Wealthsimple Invest is. Wealthsimple Invest is a robo-advisor platform offered by Wealthsimple. They offer low-fee portfolios that are designed to meet your financial needs. For a full review on Wealthsimple Invest, click this video up here or look for the link in the video description below. Wealthsimple Invest only offers one halal portfolio and it's considered a growth portfolio. This halal portfolio is currently only available in Canada and in the US, with plans to be available in the UK. Unlike Wealthsimple's other portfolios that consist of ETFs, the halal portfolio consists of 50 stocks. These stocks are all halal, meaning they comply with Islamic principles. Some of the largest allocations include Alibaba Group, Canada National Railway, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Thomson Reuters. Other companies that you may be familiar with include Adobe, Canon, Intel, Nike, ExxonMobil, and Suncor Energy. This portfolio is globally diversified, so they also include international stocks you've never heard of. Since this is an all-equity portfolio, your portfolio is at a higher risk. Wealthsimple recommends holding cash to reduce that risk. Wealthsimple has simulated 3 different halal portfolios: conservative, balance, and growth. The conservative portfolio recommends 35% invested and 65% holding cash. This would be for someone with a low risk level, like if you're retiring soon or you need to withdraw the money in the short term, like 1 to 3 years. Since inception in 2017, you would have a total return of 7.2%, and if you annualized it, you would have a return of 2.5%. The balanced portfolio recommends 50% invested and 50% in cash. This portfolio is for someone with a medium risk tolerance. You're cautious of your portfolio but want a higher return? Consider this portfolio if your investment goal is around 3 to 6 years away. Since inception in 2017, you would have a total return of 11.1% or an annualized return of 3.9%. Now that brings us to the last simulated portfolio, the growth portfolio. With a recommended allocation of 80% invested and 20% holding cash, this portfolio is for someone with a high risk level. This portfolio is for the long-term investor. You're not worried about market dips because you're in it for the long haul, let's say 5 years plus. Since inception, this portfolio would have an 18.4% total return or an annualized return at 6.3%. These returns are considering the market correction that we had in late 2018 and the market crash we had in early 2020. These numbers would be much higher if these events never happened. Also consider that all these portfolios are holding cash. So if your portfolio was 100% invested, then your returns would be even higher. But on the other side of the coin, your losses would be higher too. Meaning, comparing 100% invested versus the 80% invested, we had a great year in 2019, so your return would be higher, but we had a crash in 2020, so your losses would be higher too. Just to be clear, the halal portfolio is 100% stocks. Wealthsimple will keep a small amount of cash for you to pay for their management fee. If you want to reduce your risks, It's up to you how much cash you want to hold, if you want to hold cash. You can hold cash at Wealthsimple or at another financial institution. What type of accounts does Wealthsimple Invest offer? The Halal Portfolio can be held in an RRSP, TFSA, personal, RESP, RIF, Lira, joint, or business account. And there is no minimum to open an account. If you wish to transfer an account from another financial institution, Wealthsimple will cover the transfer fee if the transfer is more than $5,000. If you're new to Wealthsimple Invest, use my link in the video description below to earn yourself a $50 sign-up bonus. The only condition is that you make an initial deposit of at least $500. That's an instant 10% return just by using my link. So what is the management fee of the Halal Portfolios? There's two different management fees. With deposits of $100K or less, you pay a 0.5% management fee. With deposits greater than $100K, you pay a 0.4% management fee. This fee is quoted annually, calculated daily, and charged monthly. Other than that, there is no other fees to worry about. And a pro to having an all equity portfolio is that there is no ETF MER fees. Other portfolios at Wealthsimple contain ETFs, so you pay an additional MER fee. What are some of the cons of the Halal Portfolios? They cannot be customized. This portfolio is pre-built and you can't change the stocks that are in them, and you can't change the allocation. But this is also a pro because you don't need to worry about picking stocks or need to worry about rebalancing your portfolio. Another con is the 0.5% management fee. You could open your own brokerage account and buy all the holdings in the Halal Portfolio and not pay a management fee. But then you have to worry about other things like trading fees, rebalancing, reinvesting dividends, and so on. Another con is holding yourself accountable and actually holding cash outside of Wealthsimple. Doing this yourself can be difficult, but Wealthsimple has the option to hold the cash for you. The options include 20% cash, 35% cash, 50% cash, and even 65% cash. If you would like Wealthsimple to hold your cash for you, get in touch with their portfolio management team. So who are these portfolios for? The Halal Portfolios are designed to serve the Muslim community. Earning wealth that is halal is very important to the Islam religion. But this portfolio is not strictly for Muslims. This portfolio is also for those who want to take an ethical approach to investing. When you invest in halal stocks, you know that that company is not causing any harm to anyone. These portfolios are also for those who want to invest 100% in equities with a Robo-advisor. This is the only portfolio that Wealthsimple offers that's 100% invested in equities. So this portfolio is the only one that doesn't have ETF MER fees. And lastly, this portfolio is for someone who wants to keep investing passive. With Wealthsimple Invest, all you need to do is pick a portfolio, deposit money, and Wealthsimple will do the rest. You can also set up automatic deposits so you can minimize the work involved in investing. What are some other halal investing options? Sharia Portfolio Canada. With them, you can either invest with a financial advisor or invest in a portfolio similar to Wealthsimple. You may also invest with a financial advisor at a bank or a brokerage firm who deals with halal investing. Another option is to purchase halal mutual funds. And like I already mentioned, you can open up a brokerage account and invest in halal stocks. Another halal option is to invest in gold and other precious metals. If you plan to invest in the halal portfolio, you can hold gold instead of holding cash, or a combination of all three to lower your risks and increase your return. My final thoughts: the Wealthsimple halal portfolios are one of the most affordable and easiest way to keep investing halal. With a financial advisor, you will have high fees and may need a high minimum balance to get started. With the Global IMAN Mutual Fund, your MER fees range from 1.66% to 2.77%, which is much higher than Wealthsimple's 0.5% fee. And Wealthsimple makes investing completely passive with automatic contributions and deposit features like Roundup and Overflow. The only thing that you need to do is withdraw your money when the time comes.
$4.3 billion.
I should also mention that once you become a Wealthsimple client, you can refer your friends and family to get $10,000 of your portfolio managed for free for 12 months. And if you want to earn yourself a $50 sign-up bonus, remember to use my link in the video description below. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this with a friend. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when a new video comes out. And if you want to further support the channel, check out some of the affiliate links in the video description below. All the links below are all products I use reviews, and most of them have a sign-up bonus. If you got any questions or comments, comment them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!